Hello everyone, my name is Marielle Vessel. I'm a PhD candidate at the University of São Paulo, Brazil. I'm going to present the results of our study, How do software developers use GitHub Actions to automate their workflow? So, what is GitHub Actions? GitHub Actions is an event-driven API to automate development workflow on GitHub. Let's see an example. When developers want to contribute to an open source project, they fork the repo, make the commits, open up a pull request to submit the changes, then a maintainer merges the changes. The great thing about GitHub Action is that developers can apply existing actions or even create their own action to any stage of the GitHub flow. If they want to include CI/CD, or if they want a specific task to run when a pull request is opened, labeled, or closed, GitHub Actions can do that. So GitHub Actions enable developers to create these automated workflows. In this work, we investigate how developers use GitHub Actions, how developers discuss about actions, and what are the effects of the actions adoption. To investigate how developers use actions, we collected and analyzed data of 3,190 repositories that use actions. We found a total of 708 different predefined actions. The most common categories of actions are continuous integrations, utilities, deployment, publishing packages, and code quality. Also, we found that on Median, an action is added twice and never removed or modified. To understand how developers perceive actions, we analyze a set of 209 issues that discuss actions. The majority of the discussions are positive. We found different categories of discussions related to actions maintenance, announcement of actions, suggestions to implement actions, switching other automation tools to actions, and problems and frustrations related to actions. Also, we investigated how the adoption of actions impacts project activity indicators such as the number of merged or rejected pull requests, number of comments, the number of commits, and the time to close pull requests. We use a regression discontinued design to model the effects of actions adoption across 926 projects that had adopted GitHub Actions for at least 6 months. Our findings indicate that there are more rejected pull requests and fewer commits on merged pull requests after adopting GitHub Actions. In summary, our results show an overview of how early adopters are using, discussing, and being impacted by actions. Also, the results provide insights to developers that want to use actions. So, thank you so much.